Okay, so I decided to make a video to explain this because I think it's going to be easier than me typing it all out. So for the first question, what is the expected number of defectives in a batch? All I did was multiply the probability of a defective device by the number of devices in the batch. That's how I got 5. I did not use the software for that. For B, the probability that a batch has to go for reprocessing, so probability, and then it's going to be discrete because it has the trials, and then there's 50 trials. The probability of success is 0.1, and we want it to be above 5, and this is the button including the value 5, so this is greater than or equal to 5, and that is how I got that number. And then the third one is the probability that a manager gets a bonus, so it has to be less than 3 defective devices. So what I did again for that was below 3, and then I unchecked including the value, and that's how I got that. I believe it should be the same if you do that and hit include. Yeah, it's the same. So that's how I did that. And then for number 2, this one is going to be continuous because there's decimals and there's no trials. So I'm going to open continuous, and it's normal because it says normally distributed. So the mean is 2 hours, standard deviation is 0.5. And then probability that's between 1.5 and 3 hours, so we're just going to put between. The lower tail is 1.5, the upper tail is 3. Well, I guess it'll just be 3. That's how you get that number. And then the probability that a student plays video games for more than 3 hours, so this is going to be above 3. That's how I got that number. The maximum number of hours the bottom 25th percentile plays, so that's going to be probability to value because we want to find 0.25, which is 25%. That's how I got that number. And then for this last one, the IQR, you have to find, well, you just found Q1 doing the bottom 25th. So then to find Q3, that's 75. So you're just going to change that number to 75. You take that, Q3 minus Q1 is IQR, and that's how you get 0.74. I'm not sure if you could find it on here. I didn't care enough to find out, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you need me to explain more, I can.